Did you see what I just did? I just won an M2. I'm a BMW driver now. I mean, I can't drive it yet, but I'm one of you. If you're watching, you're a BMW driver, and I know how you drive, and I'm one of you. I know I'm repping a McLaren right now, but working my way up to that. But I got an M2. Anyway, by this point, I've already paid for it and organised transportation, and it arrives tomorrow. If I have a clip of, you know, it coming off the transporter, I'll insert it here. But I really can't wait. Like, this version of me waiting here, this guy can't sleep. I can't think of anything else but that car. But it arrives tomorrow. One more sleep, Ryan. One more sleep. I'll catch you when it gets here. And here it is. I mean, look at those hips. How could you say no to that? I mean, if you look at it from this angle, it's a brilliant car. I mean, where's the damage? Let's have a look at it just a little from this side. Those hips though. Oh my god. Okay. And we look at it from here. It does have a sunroof, which most people don't like, but tidy, right? And then getting to the front, the danger zone. Again, I just look at it from here. Starting to see the damage, are you? Have you? Okay, here we go. Let's not delay it any further. Oh my god, someone's poked his eye out. Oh, damn it. But if you look at it, there is no problem with the suspension. We'll come back to this. A casualty of the crash is this little dent here, and if you look, you can see the tyre's been gouged, which is a shame because that tyre does look like it's got some life left in it. And plus, if I was going to if I was going to replace it, I'd have loved to, you know, see what it's made of, burning its wheels, but it's toast. So I might get a set of rear tyres. And then you can see, I don't know what was happening, but I'm guessing it's gone out the same way all the other crashed M2s have gone. You can see a lot of dirt just in there. It goes all the way around. So this car, and oh yeah, you can see the grass there as well. And if I can get underneath it, at least show you from behind, you'd see some grass on the rear diff, which is, I don't know if you can make that out, just down there. Yeah, this car has been in the bushes, but all things considered, this damage is quite contained just to the front here. So you probably saw in the background of my first video, or my intro video that is, that I did have one of these in the background. I knew I needed it because just from the pictures you could already tell. And then this is the reason for the oil leak, the oil cooler. So now I need to replace this. And what else? The bumper, the bonnet's toast. It's made from aluminium, so that's got to be replaced. If I can get one in color, that would be amazing. What else? And then there's the bracket for the headlight, which is kind of mangled here. It's connected to this bracket holding the oil cooler, and there's a missing headlight. Now thankfully the headlight was obviously, see, I'm not thankful it was damaged, but it was damaged, and it still had all the modules. It has 3 different modules on it, and they were still intact on the broken headlight. So thankfully all I need to do is get a replacement headlight, put the old modules on, and not have to code it to the car. That's the plan anyway, so I will hopefully get that done when the time comes to it. Right now what I need to focus on is starting this engine. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. And yes, I know it's open. Oh, I never thought I'd like this these seats. Don't get me wrong, I prefer the ones on the M2 competition, but these are alright. They don't look too good on the eye, but they are comfortable. I saw a lot of videos saying, "Oh, it's comfortable, it's quite nice. I don't really need to change it." And I just thought, denial. But I get it now. I get it. It's really nice in here. The plan is to get rid of this car when I'm done with it. You know, enjoy it for a little bit and get rid of it. I'll give you a little hint. That was the plan for the C63 over there. And if you've noticed, it's still here. So, best laid plans and all. Anyway, it's got the OG dashboard here, which I like because it's OG. It's like it's OG BMW, but the one in the LCI looks a lot better. I like what they've done with the fact that it looks digital, but it isn't. It's quite smart. So I might want to replace it with that. But hey, we need to get this car running before I start thinking about muds and things like that. See if I can open the bonnet. I need 2 people to do that. I'll see if I can come back to it. Now here's a photo of said engine bay, because I actually never got round to showing it to you. Sorries! But that's the car in a nutshell. What do you think? Let's take a look from a distance here. I think it'll fix very... well, what's the word? I think this will be a good fix. If that engine isn't toast, please, please, please don't be toast. This should be an easy fix for me. And I could get it on the road and start burning rubber, hopefully not put it in a ditch. Anyway, that's the car. I will start ordering parts, and probably the first order of business is get an oil cooler replaced, put some oil in it, see if the engine will start. If it does, then I reward it with more parts. I do have I'm talking to someone about a bumper and a front bumper and bonnet in white, which is annoying. If I can get that, because it's got all the trims and all that stuff, if I can get that, then I guess all I have to do is paint it. But ideally I'd love to find a combination in Long Beach blue, which would mean I don't need to paint the car, which is the most ideal scenario. But beggars can't be choosers. I'll take what I find. So if I don't find one in time, I'll probably go get the white one. But you see that in the next video. Anyway, I've been Victor, and that's been... oh, I didn't tell you the name. I name all these cars, and my son has christened M2 here Iggy. So let's catch up with Iggy in the next video.